Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is the last day of July 2022, and I'm going to cover gold only. After a prolonged decline, gold is finally starting to come back to life. Let's have a look at a 2-hour chart. As you remember, gold was trading pretty much flat from mid-May through the entire month of June. Towards the second half of June, gold was getting hammered on every advance, forming lower highs. On the first day of July, gold made an undercut and bounced nicely, forming a bullish reversal candlestick, giving a hope that the decline might be over. However, when gold opened next week, it started a brutal sell-off, which lasted almost 3 weeks, finally bottoming on July 21st. Interestingly, the low on July 21st at $1,680 level was sufficient to test August 2021 low, but was $3 shy from March 2021 double bottom. Since July 21st, gold already added 5%, but investors are still cautious and waiting for a pullback to enter. But I don't think that gold will give a comfortable entry point. There is a lot of resistance ahead, but gold is making its way through. On July 28th, gold managed to regain a month-long resistance, advanced, sold off and held at retest, and continued higher. So far, price action looks very constructive. Let's zoom out to a 4-hour chart. The next level of resistance comes just above $1,800 level at the 5-month trend line. My expectation is that gold will reach $1,800 mark very soon, and that is the time when it will start catching more attention. Once gold overcomes a 5-month resistance, it should open a way towards $1,875 level. I believe gold should advance so quickly that investors are not able to pile up on this trade easily. And I think the metal will advance towards this $1,875 level very quickly, perhaps already by mid-August. By this time, investors will be feeling quite optimistic about gold and will start piling up. However, $1,875 level is the most vulnerable price level for gold. Let's zoom out. This is a daily chart. The brutal sell-off that started in June broke a 4-year major rising trend line, which is not a very good sign generally. The trend line held so many times and experienced a couple of false breakdowns, but every time held. That is why I believe that gold will advance towards $1,875 level without much difficulty. However, at the retest of a 4-year major rising trend line, gold will face its main test. I am bullish gold in the short and medium term, and I am sure that gold will take out all-time high by latest 2023. But chances are high that the breakout happens already in 2022. Whether gold takes out 2022 highs this year or next will depend on how gold behaves at the retest over 4-year trend line. If gold manages to regain it quickly without much struggle, that is a very good sign. However, if gold struggles and starts to pull back, then it is likely to test all-time high sometimes next year. Finally, I don't want gold to advance to its all-time high in one step. I prefer that it happens in 2 steps. If gold pushes all the way to 2100 level in one leg, then it won't have strength to legitimately break out and advance to my standing target of $2,350 level. I would like gold first to regain a 4-year trend line and solidify gains above $1,900 level, and start the second leg of advance in the 4th quarter of 2022, so it has higher chances of reaching my standing target. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.